Hi, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. It is Catherine. It is open house day. I am at 424 Polaris Drive in Erie, Collier's Hill area. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area. And this was a shea home that my clients built, I think in 2016. So it is absolutely stunning. It is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home, unfinished basement, almost 4,500 square foot. And it's beautiful. It's stunning. They had a lot premium on it when they purchased it. So stop by and see us. We just did a price reduction on it. It is now on the market for $924,900. So come by, take a look. You want to get out of the city, you want to get out of the rat race, come to Erie and come to 424 Polaris Drive in Erie today. And remember, if you do come, I love coffee. I always have my coffee with me right there. I got a really nice hot steaming cup of coffee that I'm going to be grabbing as soon as I'm done with this video driving down the road. But if you stop by, bring me a coffee. I'm never too busy to drink coffee, and I'm never too busy for you as a realtor. Okay? Have a great Saturday. Thanks, everybody. Bye.